Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Learn and Earn. This fantastic program allows you to discover new cryptocurrencies while simultaneously earning free digital assets. You'll watch short educational videos, read informative articles, and then complete quick quizzes to test your understanding. It's a straightforward way to expand your crypto knowledge and grow your portfolio, often with new opportunities appearing regularly. Get ready to learn and earn. To begin your earning journey, first ensure your Coinbase account is fully verified. This is a crucial step for participation. Next, simply navigate to the Learn and Earn section, easily found within the Coinbase application or on their website. Here, you can browse through a variety of available lessons, each focusing on a different cryptocurrency project. Select one that piques your interest and start learning. Most lessons take only a few minutes. To maximize your potential earnings, make it a habit to check for new lessons frequently, as the platform updates with fresh content often. Completing every available lesson ensures you don't miss out on any free crypto. Additionally, consider sharing your unique referral link with friends. When they participate, you could earn extra bonuses. Some programs even offer up to $10 in a specific cryptocurrency for completing a single lesson. Once you successfully complete a lesson and its accompanying quiz, your earned cryptocurrency is deposited directly into your Coinbase wallet. This process is usually very quick, with rewards often credited within just a few minutes. From there, you have complete control. You can choose to hold onto your new assets, trade them for other cryptocurrencies, or even send them to another wallet. Explore other Coinbase features to manage your digital assets further.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.